Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You first get into Scribble. EO and make sure the canvas is active. This is critical because autodraw needs access to the drawing area. Once done, choose a basic pen color and size so autodraw interprets strokes cleanly. Then open the autodraw tool or extension and align its overlay with the game canvas. This reduces misalignment and ensures strokes register where you expect. Make these first moves deliberately, so every subsequent suggestion maps accurately to the game surface. You now sketch the basic silhouette of the word quickly. Speed matters because Scribble. EO is timed. As you draw, autodraw will propose refined versions, scan suggestions, and accept the best one by clicking or pressing the indicated key. Once accepted, make sure to reposition or scale the suggestion so it fits the game canvas and matches the guessed word context. If details are needed, add small freehand lines. This combination of automated shapes and manual tweaks produces clear, guessable images. You finish by adding just enough detail to make the concept unmistakable. Avoid clutter so guesses come fast. Once satisfied, step back and let the room guess. Your timing and clarity matter more than perfection. If suggestions fail or autodraw stops aligning, refresh the page, toggle the extension off and on, or resize the browser window to resync the overlay. If issues persist, switch to a manual quick sketch until the tool is stable. Then resume, using accepted shapes for consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.